Hello, I'm Brandon from Pure Water Power, and today I'm going to talk to you about the PWP RODI Double. That's right, double, for 2 RO membranes. This is a multi-stage RODI system featuring dual pre-filtration, dual RO membranes, and a 10-inch DI for polishing. This system is equipped with a single restriction outlet. So your wastewater restrictor for your RO membranes is at the front of the unit. Currently I have a waste hose hooked up to it. Very similar to the PWP single, you have a valve restriction, which is very neat because this system allows you to flush your RO membranes between uses, long periods of sitting, as well as controlling how much restriction you want to create. If you want it all the way closed, we have a pre-drilled hole of 1/16 of an inch that will allow just minimal flow to go through. That way, even if you have it closed, it's not going to cap it off all the way, causing damage to your membranes. So this unit here features 2 pre-filters, featuring a sediment filter and a chloramine filter, just like the single. We have 2 RO membranes here for increased water production, which will give you a lot more pure water out of your system. So this system, you can run more than 1 pole out of the outlet, which is nice. So it's a multi-user system as well. Included with this system is an accessory bundle. Now this accessory bundle comes with the appropriate filter wrenches that you'll need for your filter maintenance relative to their size. This system comes with a TDS meter, so you can measure your incoming source, the water production of your system to see how much stuff is inside. You're going to measure how much content your water has. So this is a very useful tool to understand how harsh your water is. We have RO Guardian included with this system, which is a membrane preservative. Now, this system comes with 2 packets, meaning 1 packet per RO housing, and this is important for long-term storage as well as winterizing your system. There's a QR code that you can scan to learn more, but we'll touch a little bit more on that when we talk about maintaining this system. Also included is the Magic Lube. This Magic Lube is a lubricant, a silicone-based lubricant that you will use anytime you're changing your filters. You have gaskets, you have brine seals, you have rubber seals that require a little extra strength to their seal, and that's where the Magic Lube comes into play. Also included is a wastewater hose. That is intended to hook at the bottom of the unit here for your wastewater to travel away from the unit. We have one hooked up to this one here, so we'll set this to the side. But it is a very helpful hose to have to redirect your water. So now that we know what comes out of the box with this unit, we'll talk about the first time usage and setup of your PWP RODI Double. Inside these housings are the RO membranes, which, while we're ready to start running water through and clean windows, it's important to know that they require water saturation to be able to purify efficiently. Now what I mean by that is you're going to want to set up as if you're going to run water, disconnect. Let's show you here. You're going to want to disconnect your DI housing as such, and then we are going to run water through the system to allow every inch of the membrane to get soaked. This will save you about 500 gallons worth of water to get the same efficiency out of your membranes. If you run water for 10 minutes and let the unit sit for 12 hours or overnight, you saved yourself 500 gallons. So bear that in mind. We have the hoses to the DI canister disconnected. That way, when we're running water and saturating the system, we're not going to prematurely use the resin that's inside. So it's important to note that if you're doing this inside like we are, water's going to travel outside of here and go everywhere. So if you're in a situation where you need to saturate your membrane, say in a garage or something, and you cannot have your water just hit the ground, you could always keep your hoses attached to your DI and then remove the filter, which is exactly what we're going to do. So I'm going to get behind the unit and then have the wrench handle on the right and pull towards me. 3 spins, and then slowly do the 4th, and then we'll be able to remove the cartridge in here. Back to the side. So now we're going to go ahead and get this unit hooked up. Now there's some residual water in this unit, so I am going to put our waste hose on first, and I will keep the valve closed. Next, we have our inlet on the pre-filter and inny spinny, as we say. We're going to hook up our hose to the inlet side. Let me make sure I don't get any kinks. And then, out of the DI, since we're going to allow water to travel into this housing, we're going to put a hose on the outlet of the system. Okay. Now, I'm going to go ahead and run water into the system. So water will travel into the pre-filters. We're hitting our sediment filter, into our chloramine filter. It's important to keep both of these filters on when you're saturating, because this is going to allow your membranes to avoid any sort of large impurities that may damage or clog your RO membranes. So I'm going to open the valve a little bit on this unit, and you'll see the wastewater is already trickling out. You'll want to run water for 10 minutes as such. So that way you're getting water through your filters, and then you allow the system to sit with this water for 12 hours to really get everything inside. And then after you're ready for your first use, simply hook up your DI cartridge to the housing, keep your setup, and you're ready to start cleaning windows. Saturation is important to do not only upon first usage, but anytime you change these RO membranes and you put a fresh one in, it's important to saturate it again so you can save yourself another 500 gallons.